What is the primary purpose of a resource lock in Azure? A. To prevent accidental deletion or modification of resources. B. To enhance the performance of resources. C. To encrypt data stored in resources. D. To monitor resource usage. La respuesta correcta es A. To prevent accidental deletion or modification of resources. Resource locks are used to prevent accidental deletion or modification of resources, ensuring that critical resources are not altered or removed unintentionally. Which of the following lock levels can be applied to an Azure resource? A. Read-only and delete. B. Read-only and modify. C. Delete and modify. D. Read-only and full control. La respuesta correcta es A. Read-only and delete. Azure resource locks can be applied at two levels: read-only, which prevents any modifications, and delete, which prevents the resource from being deleted. Where can you apply a resource lock in Azure? A. Only at the resource group level. B. Only at the subscription level. C. At the resource group, and subscription levels. D. Only at the resource level. La respuesta correcta is C. At the resource group, and subscription levels. Resource locks can be applied at various levels in Azure, including the resource group, and subscription levels, providing flexibility in managing resource protection. What happens if you apply a read-only lock to a resource group in Azure? A. All resources within the resource group can be modified but not deleted. B. All resources within the resource group inherit the read-only lock. C. The resource group cannot be deleted, but resources within it can be modified. D. The resource group and all its resources cannot be modified or deleted. La respuesta correcta is B. All resources within the resource group inherit the read-only lock. When a read-only lock is applied to a resource group, all resources within that resource group inherit the read-only lock, preventing any modifications to those resources. How can you remove a resource lock in Azure? A. By deleting the resource. B. By modifying the resource lock settings. C. By changing the resource group. D. By contacting Azure support. La respuesta correcta is B. By modifying the resource lock settings. To remove a resource lock in Azure, you need to modify the resource lock settings and delete the lock. This action requires appropriate permissions. Which Azure role is required to create or delete resource locks? Owner. B. Contributor. C. Reader. D. User Access Administrator. La respuesta correcta, owner. The owner role in Azure has the necessary permissions to create or delete resource locks, as it provides full access to all resources, including the ability to manage locks.